Here's my vacuum pump that I've just cobbled together. It's not finished yet. I've got a switch over here that I still need to connect in. But, the mechanical part's done. There's the fitting there that connects into the tank here. It's an old air compressor tank. You can see the oil level. I don't like this oil. I'm going to get some different oil. And it's pulling a fair vacuum there. Just over 1 bar of vacuum, which is it's nearly a complete vacuum. It's pretty good. And I've got the valve, so it comes up from the main tank here, up tee off the gauge, and then through a ball valve here to a hose barb, which will go off to the is it going to focus there yet? Which will go off to the flask or whatever that I'm vacuuming. And if I turn the valve on, you can see there it pretty quickly, that's about the most noise that it makes there. It's blowing a bit of smoke like a steam train. Toot toot. Yeah, I've got to change that oil, but anyway, so that's it working. Seems to work alright. Got a nice carry handle and wheels, so I can wheel it around. It's going to live in the shelf over there. Bottom one's the air compressor, and then the next position above that will be the vacuum pump, which is right next to the filtration table there. And yeah, that's about it. Catch us later.